Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. So in today's video is going to be very simple. I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to complete the side of your bag like this one. A lot of people stuck on 6565, which is the third step. So I want to come in here and walk you through step by step. For those who are finding it hard to complete the side of the bag. So if you are that person, this video is for you. I'm going to link the rest of the video on link it somewhere in this video, at the end screen, or in the description box down below. So here is my line that I cut, and we are going to start with 6 beads. I'm going to string all these 6 beads on the line like this. Then I'm going to hold the last one and pull my other line through it like this. Then we have something like this. We make a ring of 6 beads. Now on my left line, I add 5 beads, and I'm going to pull. This is 5 beads I add on the line, okay? Then I'm going to hold the last one and pull my right line in through it like this. Then we have 2 circles. Now right line into the next bead. So with this step, we are going to go around the shape to make a ring of 6. Now on my left line, I'm adding 4 beads. I'm going to go through the last one and pull. Now my right line again into the next bead like this. Left line, add 4 beads. 4 beads. Pull the right line through the last one and pull into the next bead again. I'm going to add 4 beads to my left line. So this is what we have. We have 3 circles down, and I pull my line through the next bead. 4 beads. I add 4 beads to my line. Now I'm going to pull my right line again into the next, this line into the next. 4 beads to my left line. So now I'm going to go through 2 beads, right line into the middle bead and the side bead, these 2 beads. I'm pulling my right to the middle first and the side bead like this. So now my line is in 3 beads. 1, 2, 3, okay? Now I'm going to add 3 beads to my left line again like this. I'm going to cross and pull. Now we have come to the end of the second step. This is where my line is. In this bead, this is where our line is. So I want to tie over here. So watch closely. I'm going to tie my first knot over here. I'm going to knot over here, okay? So I'm just tying. Tie in between the bead and not on the bead, okay? So I'm tying in between the bead over here. Pull and pull tight, all right? So I'm going to come back through the same bead, all right? I'm going to come back, pull one line through the same bead and pull like this. So I reposition my line. Now I'm going to go through the next bead again. My right line into the next bead. We are going to start step number 3. Now my line is in 2 beads. We are going to go around the shape, and this is where a lot of people are finding it hard to complete. Let's start with 4 beads. Now our first circle right here is 6. When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is 6 in the circle, all right? Now the line into the next bead. Into the next bead, add 3 beads. I add 3 beads to my left line, cross and pull. If you count, this is 5 in the circle, this is 6, and this one you count is 5. All right, so I'm going to put my line into 2 beads again. Go through 2 beads, And the number of bead I add, 3 bead. Okay, this is 3 bead I add to my left line. I cross and pull into the next bead. So when you count that circle is 6, I'm going through 1 bead over here. I'm going to add 3 bead to my line, cross and pull. Now I'm going to pull my line into 2 bead, 1 2 1 2. Okay, two bead. Now I add 3 bead to my line. Now into the next bead, this line into the next bead. Only 1. I'm going through 1 over here, 1 bead. I add 3 bead to my line. I'm going to pull my line through 2 bead, this and this one. This is first, and this is my second bead. And now I add 3 bead to my line, cross and pull. I'm going to go through 1 bead again, this one. Go through it and add 3 bead, and that count will be 5. This is the 6 5 6 5. Now I'm going to pull my line into 2 bead. See how it's taking the round shape? The second bead, I add 3 bead to my line, cross and pull. Now into the next bead again, my line into 1 bead, this one. Three bead. Okay, I add 3 bead. I take my time so everybody can see it, and I'm weaving everything round into 2 bead. This line into the next 2. Go to the next 2 bead, and let's add 3 bead to our line. Into the next bead again, these 2 bead. Okay, I'm going through the next 2 bead, 1 and 2. We are going to complete with 2 bead. And now we complete our step. Okay, this is 2 bead. My line is short over here. I'm going to tie a knot in between the 2 bead over here, and our third step is complete. The 6 5 6 5 is completed, and this is how it's looking. I'm going to weave this line a little bit back into the bead before I trim it off. That way I know for sure the line is well secured enough. It's not going to unravel. So now that this step have completed, we are going to start with step number 4. And here is my line. I'm going to go through 1 bead. This bead over here, okay? I go through this bead. And we are starting with 3 bead. So I put 3 bead on my line. Now I'm going to put my line into the next bead. This one. Go to the next bead and add 2 bead. Now I'm going to go into the next bead again and add 2 bead to my line. Over here, our count is 4 4 4. So we are going to go through each bead and add 2 bead to our left line. I'm pulling my line through this bead, okay? I'm going through 1 1 bead. Go through 1 bead, add 2 bead to your left line. Pull your right line into the next bead, add 2 bead to your left line. Cross and pull. Now into the next bead again, add 2 bead. Into the next, two bead. We are going to go into the next. This is how it's looking like, okay? I'm going to go through the next bead and add 2 beads to my line. Each bead, 2 beads. Into the next bead, 2 beads. So this step, we are pulling our line through 1 bead, only 1 bead, then we are adding 2 beads. Into the next, 2 beads. Into the next bead, I add 2 beads to the line. Now we are going to go into the next one, 2 beads. This is what we are going to do, round the shape, this line into the next bead. So now I think this one is really clear. I weave everything round the shape, okay? For those who can't weave round and complete it, this video is for you. Simple and easy. So you add 2 to your left line. Into the next bead, 2 beads. Into the next, 2 beads. Into the next bead, I add 2 beads. And also try to pull your line tight and make everything nice and round. Into the next bead, I add 2 beads. Now I'm going to go into the next bead again, this one. Okay, now we are pulling our line through one bead. Only 1 bead. Then you add 2 beads. Now this is the last one. I'm going to pull my line through the last bead and the one on the side. Into this one, these 2 over here, okay? I'm going to pull through. This is my last bead. And I'm going to go through the one on the side over here. The number of bead, 1 bead to complete this step. I add only 1 bead, cross and pull. Over here, I'm tying over here. This is how it's looking like. Very, very round and beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to pull my line again. My line is in between 2 beads because I tie over here. So I'm going to hold one line. This one, I'm going to go back into the bead. So I can reposition my line and then we continue our beading. So this is where my line is like this. It's in only 1 bead, not 2 beads. Like this. You have it in 1 bead. Now we are going to begin step number 5. I add 4 beads to my line to start with. Now I'm going to go into the next. I add 3 beads. Okay. Now into the next bead, 3 beads. I'm going to pull again into the next bead again. Then I'll be adding 3 beads. I add 3 beads to my line. So here our count is 5, 5, 5. Okay, 5 around the shape. So we are going to go through each bead like this. Go through 1 and add 3 beads to your line. Into the next, 3 beads. I'm going to go into the next bead. I add 3 beads. Now into the next bead again, 3 beads. Into the next bead, 3 beads. Now into the next bead again, I add 3 beads to my line. I'm going to go into the next one, 3 beads. Into the next bead, 3 beads. I add 3 beads to my line. I'm going to go into the next one, add 3 beads. This is what we are going to repeat around the shape. Okay, this step is going through each bead and add 3 beads to the line. This is very simple and easy to make. A beginner can make this. So now I'm going to go into the next bead again and add 3 beads to my line. Into the next, 3 beads. Next bead, 3 beads. Into the next bead, 3 beads. Now I'm going to go into my last bead. I'm going to go into this bead and the one on the side, these 2 beads. And now we are coming to the end of the 5th step, which is step 5. Okay, and now that I walk you through step by step, this is how the line is looking like. Our line is in 3 beads, and now I have 2 beads to complete this step. Now we are done, and this is how the step is. There are 5 steps, and now that I walk you through, I hope this helps you to complete the side of your bag. So this line, I'm just weaving it back into the bead to make sure it's well secured before I trim it off. I thank you for watching. This is how it's looking like. I thank you for watching. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.